Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Business, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason that we use the $25 business is because this affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid every single month. For every payment, it does not go down or anything like that. It stays consistent, which is really cool. And the best product to promote right now, especially your affiliate marketer. So anyway guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results. It looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, so we're going to refresh the page so I can show you guys real results and y'all can understand that I'm not trying to trick you guys with any kind of tricks here. All right. It looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and cool. So if you want to guys follow this along, right? So there's gonna be some steps in the description there. But first and foremost, we gotta get your links. All right. So that's what we're gonna do first. Now this is the link that I use personally. I like to use this link. It promotes 3 products. That's the reason why I use it. But anyway, guys, you want to continue on, you go to my description. Like I was saying before, you go to my description, you're gonna see step 1, step 2. All right, you click on step 1. It's gonna be a link there, incomespeech.com, something like that. It's gonna take you to a page that looks something like this. And now this is the sales letter for the $25 business. It talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? So basically, if you're interested in what the $25 business is, it's a funnel builder. Now, what is a funnel builder? It's a funnel builder. It's basically a series of websites to get you to buy something. All right, so it kind of puts you in a funnel, so to speak. And long story short, and if you're affiliate marketing, you know the most popular funnel builder is ClickFunnels, which is over $100 a month. This is $25 a month. The reason they can get away with that because they were first. You know what I mean? So they can charge a super premium price, but more companies came out with lower prices. This is the lowest on found. So anyway, guys, make sure to check that out. Move on to that if you want to. But anyway, guys, ultimately you can make $20 and $100 monthly commissions, which is $120 per month. You get 10 people to do that. That's rent money for most people, and a lot of bills for a lot of people in the South. So yeah, that's a really good feature, right? And that's only 10 people in the system. So you want to get way more than that. All right. Well, anyway, guys, and remember they pay monthly, so a sale is much more valuable in this system than anywhere else. They pay monthly. Okay, so that's the beauty of it, right? What we're gonna do now is oh, they also get a charity. If you're interested in that, they get a charity as well. Sorry. Okay, so once you decide, hey, I want to try this out, I want to get this shot. All right, so we're gonna hit on yes, I want to in. Right? Yes, you go to yes, I want in. You put in all your information, very basic information, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? Now you get down here, you get it pricey, you go to get instant access. All right, so one thing I want to explain here is this right here. This is HBA Premium. You get this 14-day free trial if you use my links. You get that. All right. So what is HBA Premium? It's basically training on each website on how to promote this product. Basically, Facebook, YouTube, whatever way you want to promote it, right? It's a ton of ways, and it's just constantly updated because rules change on certain websites. Like something that worked on TikTok last year doesn't work on TikTok now, so on and so forth. You know what I mean? So it's constantly updated. By the way, guys, don't buy a course if it's not constantly updated because rules change, and what they teach you might not work tomorrow. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, you want to go to you also get an AI content creation machine. I forgot to mention that as well. It's going to help you create content for your product. All right, so you decide, hey, I want to try this out. Also, guys, I forgot to mention this. Also, if you get a sale with this product, you keep that money, guys, which is fantastic. The affiliate system for this program is fantastic. You get a sale with this, keep that money. It's so good. All right, I promise you, no other company does that. All right, so hey, I want to try this out, give it a shot, right? Blah, I got it, right? Then you just go through the stuff. It's videos explaining everything. You get your links. You go through basic information, make your account, blah blah blah, and get your links. Right? It's pretty simple, and the stuff you don't understand, there's videos for it, right? So you got your links. Now what? All right, now we need a way to promote this product. Now what I'm going to show you is the absolute easiest way to promote this product and make some money, guys. The absolute easiest way to promote this product and make some money. This works for me. It's worked for a lot of people. It can work for you. All right. So this is easiest, simplest way. All right. So the first thing you want to do is click on our second link in our description there. It's going to say my lead gen secrets. Click on that, take it to a page, look something like this. Now what is this? What is my lead gen secrets? Ultimately, it's get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. All right, guys. Get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. Absolutely fantastic. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Basically, you just email people. Excuse me. You just email people. You send them the leads. You just copy what I'm doing here. You go to mailing system once you make your account, whatever, and then we're gonna put in an email, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I use making money. So we're gonna go to the next email that ChatGPT has helped us write. In fact, no, wait a minute. This is an email I wrote. My bad. But ChatGPT had influence on what I wrote him, creating it. And but you could just get this from ChatGPT if you want to. Ask for emails. You can always ask for ChatGPT to write you emails. Very simple way to do things. In fact, most of these emails are written by ChatGPT. All of these here, ChatGPT. A lot of these are written by me, but some are written by ChatGPT. Very simple and way to get you a bunch of emails coming back and forth like that real quick. Now, one thing I want to mention about these emails, you want them to be a lot more short and clickbaity. That seems to work the best when it comes to this system. Because consider something yourself, right? If you're reading an email and it's very, very long, before it gets to the point, you're probably gonna click out of it and do something else. That's how we got short attention spans. We gotta get to it, right? So especially nowadays, oh my god, I've seen people's attention span is just shot. All right. I was watching a streamer. I remember watching a streamer that was playing games. She was playing like about 3 games at the same time. Valorant, something else, and something else. Like Hearthstone, Valorant, and something else. All at the same time. Her attention span is like real short. Alright. So anyway, guys, that's why you gotta do stuff quickly. So anyway, you go to perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around the time that people check emails, right? So, and then you want to go to preview. Now the reason why you want to go to preview, why we go to preview, is to make sure your link works, guys. You got to make sure your link works. All right. And it does work. It does work. All right. You want to make sure your link works, because if you can't make money, if your link don't work, you can't make money, blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? Make sure your link works when you send it. And also you can copy the email here that I've written if you want to. Give you a chance to copy it. Just copy it there, down there, boom, copy that, boom, you're done. You know what I mean? Just do that simply, and that's all there is to it. And once you get all that, we send an email, we're done, guys. Simple, very simple way. And consistency is key, like I spoke before. No matter what it is, when it comes to making money online, consistency is the key, guys. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. So if you want my #1 way, this is the absolute easiest way to make money online. But you want my #1 way to make money online right now, I'll tell you right now, it's shorts. You want to make shorts, you want to make TikToks, you want to make YouTube shorts, you want to make Instagram reels. You want to post on all 3 sites: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Very short videos, 7-15 seconds long. Very short stuff. Don't worry about how good it's edited. Don't worry about if you got nice quotes or whatever it may be, what kind of content you got going on there. Just keep posting, guys. I recommend about 3 or 4 a day, but at least every day. Post every day and keep doing it. Eventually something gonna go viral. You never have to worry about money again. All right, guys, so that's all that is. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.